All right. So come to attention. Raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I state your name.
I, Andrew John Giffen,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to support and defend
to support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
foreign and domestic,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the orders
that I will obey the orders
of the President of the United States
of the President of the United States
and the orders
and the orders
of the officers appointed over me,
and the officers appointed over me,
according to regulation
according to regulation
and the Uniform Code
and Uniform Code
of Military Justice.
of Military Justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All right, relax, stand at ease, take a deep breath, let it out. You're all standing just a little bit taller. You're smiling the whole way through the oath. That's a good thing, though. Congratulations. All right, a few things you need to know between now and basic. You've already been told all these things, but I have to repeat them. Is number one, get yourself in shape. All right, Navy, 1.5 mile run, push-ups, sit-ups. Army, 2 mile run, push-ups, sit-ups. Do not wait until 2 weeks before basic training and try to get in shape. It will not happen. So start doing it now. When you're at basic training, you're probably going to do PT 6 days a week minimum, right? In the Army or regular active duty, they're all going to be doing PT 5 days a week. Right? National Guard, you have more responsibility because you only drill once a month. So you need to have yourself in shape